Ah! What's up, guys? Okay, I'm gonna do a phone unboxing again, but this time I'm not pranking you guys. It's a real phone. See, look, I'm unboxing this phone right here. Here's the side, the top, the bottom, the other side, and the other side. And how to tell? There's a little tape on it that I didn't put, so that's why I have this little knife to cut it open. I'm gonna cut it open like this. Okay, I sliced it. Cut the other side. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna open it. Hold on. Hold on. I know the lighting is bad, so that's why I'm gonna go again. Sorry about that. I moved from the position I was sitting into a new position because the lighting was really bad. I could tell. Alright. So let me show you the phone again. I already sliced it open, so there's a lady. Here's the side, other side, the bottom, the other bottom, the other bottom. Okay, so we're gonna lift it open now. Okay, so lift it open. Oh, I already cut it anyway, so to prove that I already cut it, here's a little tape that comes on it. Put that in the trash. Off me. Oh, put that in the trash. And the other piece. So I'm gonna be back while taking these tape off because they're kind of hard to take off. Guys, wasn't hard as I think. I got it off, and then you have the little part right here. I don't think I'm supposed to be showing you that side right here. This little part right here, you just open it, and there's another part right there. So you just hold there, and you pull the top layer box off like this. Oh, wow, there's a beautiful phone in there. I'll show you that. Matter of fact, it's like let me see what type of phone it is. It's a Sky LG thing. So uh, here's the phone. Huh. Here's the phone right here. So that's the phone. And then that's cool though. After the phone, it's like there's nothing there. The phone was just like right here. So we wondering what's under here, because I know the box is not that short. So let's open this. Let's take this little thing off. You're gonna open it like this. Here it is. Okay, put that away. What? Are you kidding me? Look at it. Guys, I did not put that in it. Right, let's do a quick mannequin challenge for 10 seconds. Remember to count. Okay, 10 seconds up already. Okay, so it comes with some headphones. I know some of us don't like to buy headphones, even though they can cheap. Comes with these headphone they give you. They blue headphones. See, close up. Blue headphones are. See, blue headphones. Put that away. And the USB cord. USB cord. Oh yeah. And the blue thing to put it in. You see, I'm kind of confused because this is white, and this is black. See, black. It doesn't match. I think they're racist. White, black. They're racist. Okay, put that away. What is this? There's something else in there. Get a piece of tape off. That was holding everything down. Okay. What is this? Let's see what. Let me check this out. What is this thing right here? It got two thing like headphone. The headphone thing. It got two of these. Oh, I see. It's like you plug one in the radio, you plug one in your phone. Let me show you like what. You plug it like this in your phone, like that, and then you plug it into your radio, and you can play music on your radio from your phone. That's pretty cool though. At least it comes with something that normal phones don't come with. Okay. Let's check if nothing else is under here. Nope, just an empty box. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Appreciate it, and